New Second Factory. Product diversity. Innovative technology. High quality. CharmLash is the top global eyelash extension wholesale manufacturer in Vietnam. CharmLash has been established since 2020 and specialized in processing high-quality handmade eyelash extensions as customers request. We provide all kinds of eyelash extensions including individual lashes, easy fan lashes, laser lashes, ellipse flat lashes, colored lashes, pre-made and pro-made fan lashes which come in a variety of lengths from 4mm to 25mm. Thicknesses from 0.02mm to 0.2mm. Normal curl J, B, C, CC, D, DD, L, M, V, LD, L+. Our high-quality raw materials for production are made of premium PBT fiber imported from Korea, Germany and Japan, cruelty-free and no animal testing. In addition, we also supply glue, primer, lash remover, lash shampoo, lash accelerator that are directly imported from Korea. We've been working our way up to meet the changing needs of our customers and bring them the best shopping experience ever. We've obtained many certificates such as MSDS, FDA and COA. Our quality control team always checks carefully in each step to ensure all lashes meet the standard requirements before packing and delivery. We offer many services such as OEM, ODM, customized curls, sizes and private labels with free design. We are also looking for distributors to establish long-term, mutually beneficial business relationships. We always choose the most reasonable shipping methods by UPS, DHL, FedEx and special local carriers which only takes 2 to 7 business days for the orders to be delivered. We've been always looking for successful relationships with clients around the world. Let's take a look at our journey and the milestones we've achieved over the years. Innovative laser technology, patent pending in the US, Canada, and EU markets. Nearly 25 new brown-colored lashes have been added to our collection. Innovate hollow technology, 3 holes inside the lash strand, making lashes 30 to 40% lighter. We are proud to export high-quality lash products to more than 50 countries, and successfully deliver 7,000 wholesale shipments worldwide. More than 1,000 wholesale customers have been served all over the world. Approximately 5 million lash trays are produced and exported. We have successfully exported more than 500,000 pieces of lash adhesives and other treatment products. We attend 2 exhibitions. Beauty World Middle East Exhibition in 2024 Inch, and Cosmoprof Bologna in 2025 from 20 to 23 March 2025. If you're interested in any of our products, meet us at the event and feel free to contact us.